and my control variable, everything lah, okay? So, for Eviews, this is what you do, Are you listening? We will normally use the Excel sheet first, We normally don't straight type into the Eview software, Eviews, I've also mentioned, you get the student light version, okay? Free also. So what very important for Eview, for secondary data is to see how I arrange the data in the Excel sheet. You listen, can see or not? Make it bigger. This one, look at what I do. Let's say I go by company level. Let's say I choose 100 companies in Bursa Malaysia, isn't it? So my ID will stand for company 1, company 2, company 3, and so on. You can do for country also. Country 1, country 2, no problem. You understand? Those doing country level. Then I will put year. Remember, normally I say I need minimum 5 years, isn't it? So imagine, this is company 1. Let's say Ajinomoto. I put as 1, isn't it? But you go and put somewhere lah, 1 is what, afterward you want to trace back, you don't know what is 1. So normally in a separate sheet, I put what is 1, what is 2. So let's say my 1 is Ajinomoto. I want to study, in this case, let's say from 2003 to 2011. So I will key in the year. Can you see? After that, I will key in the variable. Normally, I prefer to follow my model. I key in my DV first, followed by my IV, and then my control variable. Do you understand? So I key in everything, the variable name here, and then I can key in my data lah, isn't it? Then what about company 2? Let's say company 2 is BAT, British American Tobacco. Then I will put as ID company number 2. What do? I repeat the year. This is called stacking the data. You know, like you stack, you play blocks, isn't it? When you're a child, isn't it? You stack the data. So I will stack company number 2, same year, then I key in. Can you see? So company 3, same thing. Yeah, so you do it for 100 times if you got 100 firms. Easy, isn't it? Easy concept lah to type. Not easy lah, right? A lot of hard work lah. Understand? Okay? So that is the Excel version. So what I do, I need to copy from Excel, right? I think I didn't highlight copy what, I can, what do you need to copy? Actually, it depends what command you put. Actually, you just need to copy. You don't need to copy the ID and the year one. You just need to copy from column C to K, meaning the variable name, then all the data. Because your Eview will help you to identify this is company 1, what year, you will set it already, okay? So I will highlight from column C to column K, okay? And I copy lah, right? Then I open my Eviews. This Eview very old, you can see all the history here, right? Because I already have it, I don't feel like every time I need to update my notes, right? It's almost the same thing. I open my Eviews. Now it's Eviews 13, I think, right? So I will click create a new Eviews file. So once I do that, then I will go to File, New, Work File. Okay? Then it will come to this window and they will ask me. All these are dropped down. Now, because for your case, I make sure every company you have the same number of years, isn't it? So in that case, it is a balance panel. Balance panel means every company, if you put 5 years, all must have 5 years. Cannot have one company got 4 years, another one 3 years. So actually it's a balance panel. You understand? Then frequency, because mine is annual data, isn't it? And they will ask you, starting year, in case my year just now, if you saw my Excel 2003, isn't it? Then end data 2011. Number of cross-section is how many firms are? Like example, 100 firms. Do you understand? Right. So I can use this balance panel. Here I remind you, I can click balance panel because the nature of my data is balance panel. But if you click balance panel, you notice when you want to test for hetero and auto later on, you will have a bit of problem. That's why you see in the later part, I changed to, I think, undated or unstructured because of that problem. But I show you meaning what happened if you press balance panel, how it will look like, okay? But you will notice the test, some of the test option that you normally see in econometrics, you won't see it here because of this balance panel option. Can you understand? But let's say I start with this, okay. So I will come to, this thing will appear, which I'm not bothered. What I want is quick, empty group edit series, okay? Once I click, it will come up this way. You notice why I say I don't need my ID here, because the Eviews were assigned. Company 1, year 2003 to 2011. You see, it will do it for me. So I don't need to copy my ID here. Then company 2, 2003 to 2011 until 100 company. Do you understand? So when you see this, especially you're new to Eviews, when you first open your Eview, it will show you this column 103. But you need to use your mouse, you need to scroll it up a bit because there's one hidden cell here. Oh, I don't know why they designed it that way. Got mystery one, you know, right? You must scroll it up and you see this hidden cell. This is the important cell. Why? Because when you, remember, just now I copied something from Excel, isn't it? I will now paste it here. I will put my button, I put paste on this empty cell. So once I do that, it will paste. Understand? Right? My variable name and then all my data. Okay? So once I'm done, so again, I go back to my checklist. What do I want? I want descriptive statistics, isn't it? Right? So what do? I go to view, descriptive stats, common sample. Okay? Then okay, right? Then it will come out like this. But let's say, remember I said I want you to provide me a copy with the output, isn't it? How do I copy this to my own Microsoft Word or so on? So what I do is I will highlight, you see, I highlighted all this. Then I use my right mouse, the right button, I will click copy. When I click copy, they will ask me which version I want. So I want formatted. Then okay. Then I will open like my Microsoft Word. I just paste. Can you see? This is the one I want you to give me as evidence. Oh, where's my evidence? Go where? What did I press? Okay. Go back to this side. So again, does it mean I can just give this in my chapter 4? No, right? So chapter 4, again, we don't want so much data. I will simplify it. But what do I want to extract to put it into chapter 4 are the one I highlighted in yellow. It's similar, isn't it, to your SPSS, isn't it? I want my mean, maximum, minimum, standard deviation, observation. Okay? I only want that. Got it, Right. So next, what do I test for? I want to test for normality shortly, right? I will test for correlation here, right? Correlation, view, covariance analysis. And then I click, you follow what I click, you click only, right? Then press OK. Then you will get a table that looks like, just like SPSS, isn't it? Am I right? Something like that. So again, I can copy this, right? Same thing, I copy, and then they ask me, I want formatted, then I can paste into my Word document. Can you see? So what do I see from here? It is very similar to your SPSS. But the only challenge here, I didn't put the star, isn't it? I think there's a star somewhere you can put the option. So normally, you may ask, you want how many p-value? We normally put 5%. So try to include that as well. Okay? Right? To be consistent with SPSS, like got star, no star, isn't it? Then you know which one is significant or not. But we will, the one you will extract to chapter 4 are the yellow ones. Those are the Pearson correlation. Okay? Right? Then, after that, what do I do? If let's say now I want to see